Hello and welcome to Art with Miss Zoe at Access Academy. Today we are going to learn about Jean-Michel Basquiat. So we've already watched a quick video about his life and how he came to be a famous artist. So today we're going to make a Basquiat dinosaur. Exciting stuff. So to start off, we are going to need our crayons, a piece of paper, and we will need black and a few other colors. I chose to use red, green, yellow, and orange. You can use whatever colors you want. So we're going to start with our black crayon, and we're going to come to the top left corner of our paper, and we're going to draw a U shape for the dinosaur's head. Then we're going to draw his teeth by making little V shapes along the bottom edge of that U. I did 4 teeth. Then to draw his jawline, we're going to do a sideways L, just like that. And then to make his belly, we're going to draw a big, long, kind of curvy shape, almost like an S, towards the bottom of our paper. Then to draw his legs, we're going to start with a straight line, and then we're going to do 2 little zigzags to create his toes. Then we'll draw a line straight back to the body, and we'll draw another horizontal line for in between his legs, and another vertical line, and 3 zigzags to create his toes, and then a vertical line back up towards our body. Then to create his tail, we'll draw a long curved line towards the right edge of our paper. And then to create his back, we'll just draw a curved line up to the top, connecting back to our U shape, just like that. Then to create his arms, we're going to draw 2 parallel lines and a little loop, and that will create his arms. We're going to do that 2 times. Then for his crown, we're going to start with a horizontal line and 2 vertical lines kind of slanted outwards. Then we're going to draw a big wide W connecting those 2 vertical lines to create the rest of the crown. For his eyes, we're going to draw 2 ovals facing kind of sideways on his head, and then we're going to draw a circle for his belly. Then to create his spines on his back, we're going to draw some upside down V's all the way along his back until we reach the tip of his tail. From here, you get to color it whatever colors you want. I recommend coloring his body black because of the way we drew him. I'm coloring the circle on his belly and his eyes red. And then I'm going to use black again to color in his body. So I'm going to go ahead and color mine, and let's see what you guys did. Okay, so my dinosaur is colored in, and now I'm going to color in the background. So Basquiat's famous for these big, wide brush strokes, so we're going to recreate that with some color scribbles. So I'm just going to make some scribble marks all over the back of my paper, trying to avoid my dinosaur. I don't want to scribble on him, but I'm going to scribble in the background as best as I can. And I'm going to use all the colors that I got out for myself just to make these fun little scribbles so that he has some background information. And then last but not least, make sure that you sign your artwork, because we have to know whose lovely dinosaurs these are. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. What did you make?